Cantonese is one of the hardest languages in the world. Why? 1. Cantonese has lots of tones. Mandarin has 4 tones and Cantonese has, well, some people say 6 and others say up to 11. 2. Cantonese is phonetically complex. We have sounds that you don't have in English like ng, nga, ngo, or the silent PTKs like ya, sa. 3. Character complexity. Cantonese has a written form that has lots and lots of strokes, does not follow phonetic rules. That's complex and requires memorization. 4. Written and spoken variation. Cantonese is a spoken language. There's one way of writing Chinese and another way that we speak it. That's informal and often includes lots of slang. 5. Limited learning resources. There are very limited amounts of resources for you to learn Cantonese. In fact, as a local, we never learned Cantonese growing up. We just listened to it and spoke it. And I've heard a lot of people say how hard it's been for them to learn Cantonese systematically. There's just so much. Ready for a challenge? Hit the subscribe button and learn the hardest language in the world. If you can learn Cantonese, you can learn anything.